Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to record screen on a MacBook. To start a screen recording, you're gonna have to press the combination of Command, Shift, and 5 buttons at the same time, then select one of the recording styles, so the entire screen if you select this icon, or the selected portion if you select this one. And then you can also adjust some settings for the recording, for example the timer, the microphone, and where you want to save the recording, and also some additional options at the bottom. And now to start a recording, tap record right here. The recording will start, and in order to stop it, just press the stop icon at the top bar of your MacBook. Then you will see the thumbnail in the bottom left corner or right corner of your screen, and that's basically a preview of your video. And by default, the video will be saved to your desktop unless you change this location. And in my case, everything that happens to be within this selection will be shown on the recording. Now, besides, instead of using shortcuts, we can also use the QuickTime Player, which we can open in Finder in Applications folder. Here we're gonna have to find QuickTime Player and run this application. And when the application is running, let's select it, and then let's select File at the top bar, and then select New Screen Recording. And then once again we will see this bar on our screen where we can select the type of the recording we want to perform. For example, let's select entire screen, and then let's click on the screen to start a recording. Now we are currently recording a video, and to stop it, once again click right here. Here's the preview of the video. And so that's basically how you record screen on your MacBook. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.